name is Swati Chaudhary of class 9 from Ford School and College. Today I am here to give you weekly report of Ford School and College. News report. Ford School and College promotes healthy living through Poshan Pakhwada celebration. Ford School and College organized a series of exciting and meaningful events in this week of April 2025 as a part of Poshan Pakhwada celebration under the Government of India Poshan Abhiyan initiative. These events aim to spread awareness about the importance of nutrients, healthy eating habits, and overall well-being among students of all age groups. On 16 April 2025, an essay writing competition was held for students of class 8 to 12 on the topic Importance of Healthy Eating Habits. Students expressed their thoughts on how nutritious food choices impact physical health, mental well-being, and lifestyle, inspiring others to lead a healthier life through their powerful words. Simultaneously, creativity bloomed with the drawing and poster competition. Students from class 1 to 4 participated in a drawing event, while class 5 to 8 created informative and artistic posters, both centered on the theme Say No to Junk Food. The competitions were a vibrant display of talent and a strong message for healthier food choices. On 23rd April 2025, the youngest learners from nursery, LKG and UKG enthusiastically took part in Poshan Pakhwada Day, coming dressed as various fruits and vegetables. The colorful and delightful costumes brought joy and helped children learn about nutrition in an engaging way. The spirit of healthy eating habits continued on 24 April 2025 with two key activities. The salad making competition held for classes 5 to 12 encouraged students to showcase their culinary creativities using fresh, raw ingredients, judged on nutrition value, presentation, and cleanliness. The event emphasized safe food handling and hygiene. Meanwhile, class 1 to 4 enjoyed the Fruit Fest where students brought seasonal fruits and homemade fruit salads. Teachers led fun and educational activities to help children identify different fruits and share them with friends, promoting both healthy eating and sharing habits. These enriching activities successfully highlighted the importance of nutrition food and fostered lifelong habits for a healthy future. The school is proud of all participants and thanks the parents and teachers for their support. These enriching activities successfully highlighted the importance of nutritious food and fostered lifelong habits for a healthy future. The school is proud of all participants and thanks the parents and teachers for their support in making the Poshan Pakhwada celebration a grand success. Thank you. That's all for today's news. We will be back next time with more updates and exciting stories from Ford School and College. Till then, stay curious, stay kind, and keep learning. This is Swati Chaudhary signing off from the school news desk. Have a great day ahead.